Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. Wanted to talk a little bit today. I was asked to talk a little bit about cicadas. So I can tell you my thing with cicadas is they're just plain annoying. They run into you, they come in your car window and they smack you in the face. Yes, I've had that. Don't ask me how I know. I've had it happen. But they really are not they're a problem, and they're a nuisance, but they really don't do huge amounts of damage. When they hatch, and this is Tennessee and I think the East Coast and maybe the Southeast is where it's real bad. It's very interesting. Parts of around here in Putnam County, Tennessee, in Cookeville, cicadas are terrible, and it's just mind-boggling how loud it is. And then like at my house, Tim's house, Morgan's house, there are no cicadas. So I'm wondering, okay, are they just going to hatch a little later, or what's up? It's just very interesting. What they do is the females will lay their eggs in the, and I wish I had a stem, but they'll put it in the stem, they'll inject them and slice into the stem of a tree, and you'll see it going up, and that's cicada damage. Now, will it heal? Yes, it'll be fine. You're just gonna have some damage, and I've seen this. It affects a lot of the nurseries around here because they have some cicada damage, but it does heal. You can use insect screen, and you wrap the tree in it. That's one way to do it. Keep them from, slicing the limbs. The other thing is you can use the lighter grade of winter blanket, or I'm going to call it summer blanket. It's a very, very light. We stock that. You can get that. It's inexpensive, but you can wrap your tree in it for the few weeks that you need it. That's the best way to protect your trees if you're concerned, especially about fruit trees. Big oak trees, big maple trees, things like that you don't have to worry about. But you do want to protect those fruit trees and to keep from having damage. The other thing is, of course, this makes sense, they're unpleasant smell when they die, which makes sense. Everything stinks when it dies. I am told, I don't know, I'm not a fact finder here, but that, was it copperheads? Copperhead snakes find them to be a tasty snack. I know chickens love them. I got friends that got dogs that eat them all the time. But anyway, they really don't cause any harm. You can get rid of them if you want to spray them, but there's so many of them, that's a waste of time. Just let time take care of itself. The one other thing about cicadas that I'm reading here, and I didn't know this, never thought about it, they said they're most active between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. So if you're going to do yard work outside, either do it real early or do it real late. And that way you won't have as much with cicadas. Again, we're here in one of the greenhouses. If we went across the street, there's a bunch of trees over there. It's just loud as can be over there. But anyway, just wanted to talk to you a little bit about cicadas. Hey, they'll be gone here in a few weeks and life will be back to normal.